Hi, it's Habib here. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to promote your YouTube channel on Instagram. As a beginner in the YouTube space, it is very difficult for you to get more views and more subscribers. Why? Because you don't know how to do your keyword research. If you are good at doing your keyword research, that's a plus. But if you are not good at it, have you forgotten you've already amassed some huge sum of audience on Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp? Why won't you take advantage of that to get more views? That's only if you have loyal friends. As I told you, I'm going to show you how I promote my YouTube channel or videos on Instagram. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Alright guys, if this is your first time on the channel, kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. But if you've been here with us, welcome back. As I said earlier, in this video I'm going to show you how to promote your YouTube channel using Instagram. So now, without wasting my time, let's hit on the Instagram app, as you can see. So now we can promote it through our Instagram post, and we can also promote it through our Instagram stories. So now let's go with the Instagram stories first. So let's just hit on the plus sign at the top. I'm going to show you how it works. I said story, right? All right, so make sure the video you are picking has a connection with your channel, or maybe any of your videos that you shot and uploaded on YouTube. You can just pick one of those videos and shorten it to the YouTube story standard. So now this is one of the royalty free videos I got on one of those websites. So let's hit on this video right now. So automatically I'm sharing it at the same time on Facebook also. So what are we going to do here? This is the video that we are going to upload. So we are assuming this is one of the video I shot on my YouTube channel. Now what we have to do is we have to hit on sticker right here. So here are all of the stickers you are having here. So just go into the search box and hit on link search. So there will be a bunch of links, stickers that will pop up, but the one we are going to choose is the blue one, okay, which is the first one. So when you hit it up, it will tell you to provide your link. So now I have to quickly rush to YouTube and copy any of my link, or let me check whether I have any of the links in my clipboard. So let's hit it up. Let's go through and see YouTube videos link. Okay, one is here. So when you hit it up, now here is the YouTube videos link we've provided. So when you hit done, voila, that's how it's going to pop up on your video. So you can widen it, you can make it small, okay, you can broaden it and you can make it small. So let's just put it at the corner. And what this does is, any person who will watch your story, the moment that person hit it up like this, it's going to automatically send him straight forward to your YouTube channel. So the person will get to see more on your channel, and when he falls in love with your channel or your content, then he will end up subscribing and also viewing more of your videos. So with that, you get more views, you get more likes and comments, at the same time you get more subscribers. So let's hit done. So we are still in the process. I have 2 Instagram accounts. I'm going to show you how it will pop up with the second Instagram account. What we have to do now is switch account for us to see how it's going to pop up and how you are going to get more views and subscription on your channel. So now let's double click on the account icon or my picture. So here is my second account, and this is the story I posted on the first account. So let's hit it up and see what happens. So this is the story. When you hit it up, can you see? So after hitting the story, this is the YouTube link. So visit link. So there, when I hit visit link, it's going to take me straight to YouTube. Can you see YouTube? And if I fall in love with that video, I'll just end up giving it a thumbs up, subscribing. Can you see that? So Mr. Ture GH, this is my first YouTube channel I created. So what is next is just hit like, then subscribe, and also leave a comment, and that's how it works. So in this video, I think this video is educative. That's how you can promote your channel with Instagram, and this is how to promote it with your story. So with the post, you just have to create a post. If you don't know how to create, just hit the plus icon at the top. Post, you just select any of the videos you want to post. Then after selecting, just post it in the description. Direct your audience that you leave the link in the comment section, so whenever they see, they will read before watching and they'll go straight into the comment section, hit it up to see the full video. So when posting, make sure the video is brief, the one that will catch their attention or draw their attention to watch the full video on the channel. So when they watch the small part of that video, they will end up falling in love and be curious to watch the second part or the continuation. So there they'll just go into the comment section, hit the link up, and it will take them straight forward into their YouTube channel. So I think this video is educative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. It's your boy Habib Educate, and I'll see you in the next video.